4:30 in the morning, heading to Gandikota, which is in Andhra Pradesh. Sakaragidiya Chappal gave up on me. This place is mad. We need to climb up there. So this is my view for the noon. We couldn't take a drone shot here because it's too windy, man. Saying bye to this place. Jeez, 40 degrees. So we stopped in a place called Manaruchulu in some place. So my food is here. Some paneer, some roti, and everyone else are eating chicken. All clean Krishna Park. So guys, just done with lunch, and if anyone is visiting Gandikota, please visit this place. It's called Manaruchulu. I will give in the name or the link somewhere there. So this place is really nice. You can actually come here and so see, again, Gandikota doesn't have good places to eat, and if you're looking for a decent place, I think it's Manaruchulu. So you can come here, and we're done with lunch. And also I found a footwear shop over there, so I got in new chappals. Let's go. So guys, we were driving back towards Bangalore, and for the most part of this trip we were experiencing only sun. As soon as we were nearing Karnataka border, we saw it started drizzling. I think you can see it started drizzling, and then right there, can you see that? So I've come to a temple in Lepakshi. So this is the entrance. We parked our car somewhere behind, and the weather is next level. வேற level weather. அப்படியே போயிட்டு ஒரு விசிட்டை போட்டுட்டு வீட்டுக்கு போகலாம் ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ். ஏய் காக் காக். So guys, this is again a ruins, and this is in a very close proximity to Bangalore. And hey doggy, how is this place, doggy? What do you recommend to see? Come here babe. So the weather is good now. I think in Gandikota it was too sunny, but here it is perfect. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ತೋರಿಸ್ತಾರೆ ಬರೋ. So guys, this is a floating pillar. So there is a gap, and so this pillar is built in a way where there is a gap below this. And actually, if you have a piece of cloth, you can actually pull it the other side. Don't have any to show you guys. You can Google it if you want. I mean, look at this artwork on top. Inge mele nodda artwork. Full hollow. I saw it in this full hollow. Ishvara. So guys, this is a Shiva temple, and yeah, there is the main deity of the this temple here in Lepakshi, and this is the main courtyard of the temple, and the carving is quite old, and it still amuses people when they see all this now. I hope you guys enjoy such content, but because I'm in love with the historic Indian architecture and the way our people did a lot of things that is not even explainable by science till date. So guys, I don't know what each thing means, but I'm just showing it to you, and I hope you can just enjoy. So done with the temple, and yeah, so these people want to buy some toys. Adu mukskondo. So that was the temple, and yeah, that was a short visit to Lepakshi, and this is my brand new chutney. So after waiting to have coffee in Coffee Day and everywhere, Shell saved the day for us. Some nice awesome filter coffee and some beautiful sunset. It's not a paid promotion, I'm just having good coffee. So just made it back to my friend's place. So that was our short trip to Gandikota, and it was a nice one. I hope you people like the content. I think that place you must visit that place. And if you have any questions on that place, do let me know in the comment section. So with that being said, bye from all my friends there, and see you guys in the next.